guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post videos. Today's video is going to be on the August Boxycharm. I already opened it. I couldn't wait, but it is definitely a winner this month. This is only the second month that I've ever done Boxycharm, and so far I'm very impressed. I've done like Allure Beauty Box, I've done Ipsy, and I think so far this is my favorite monthly box that I've ever gotten. So first of all, I apologize for being MIA lately. I was home visiting my family and then I got sick. Seems like a lot of people in my family got sick, including my son. So I was taking care of him, and then my husband was taking care of me because I got sick. So anyways, all the giveaways that I have had up until now are all closed, and I will get those packages out ASAP for those of you that won. So congrats if you won. If not, I will have more giveaways, don't worry. I want to do another giveaway very soon, but I was kind of thinking maybe I would do less giveaways, but bigger ones, if that makes sense. Like do them less often, but have more stuff in the giveaway. Let me know down in the comments. Would you rather have more chances to win, but less stuff to win, or less chances to win, but more stuff to win? Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys think. I might do a poll on Instagram too, so I'll be checking my Instagram for that poll. So yeah, we're just going to talk about what's in today's Boxycharm. I'm going to do a little tutorial on the eyeshadow palette that came in here. So first of all, it came with an organic infused age-defying nail treatment. I don't know how you say the company name, but it's this right here. I'm definitely gonna use this for myself. My nails are not looking great, and they just need help growing. I did acrylic nails for a long time. Right now I just have gel nail polish, so I definitely think this is gonna help. Next in this month's Boxycharm are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. It comes with 3 sets in here. I got 2 of these, 2 sets in my Allure Beauty box a couple months ago, and I've already used them, and I really, really like them. And I was looking at buying some on Wander Beauty's website. It's $25 for 5, I'm pretty sure. So now I don't have to buy any for a little bit. I wouldn't use these every day. I'm sure you could. Before you put your makeup on. I've already put my under eye moisturizer on and all my moisturizers and everything, and done my skincare, so I'm not gonna put these on for you today, but I might start a video next time in the future where I have them on and say this is it. You know, if I had thought about it, I wouldn't have done all my moisturizers and stuff. I would have waited. But I really do like these. I've tried them before and they're really awesome. Alright, so next is the Bang Beauty gel eyeliner, and y'all know I love gel eyeliner. This is a brown one. Comes in a little thing like this. It's pretty big, like that's bigger than the Morphe one, but it's also not as deep as the Morphe one. Oh yeah, see, like just where you see the brown right there, that's all the product there is. It doesn't go down into here. So there's probably about the same amount of product as the Morphe one. And see, it's got 3.5 grams. The Morphe one has, 2.5 grams. So it's still more than the Morphe one. I've never tried this brand before. I don't really wear brown eyeliners because my eyes are so dark already that the brown doesn't really, I don't know, I just don't wear it often enough to, I feel like, start using this and just have it sit and expire in my drawer. So I think I'm going to put this in my giveaway bin to give away to one of you guys. Let me know if you'd like that in the comments below. I'm not giving it away right now. Let me make that clear. I'm gonna put it in my bin and then put it in a little giveaway set that I give away in the future. I'm a black eyeliner girl, we know this. All right, so the next product is this Smashbox Always On metallic matte lipstick. This month Smashbox included several different lip products in the Boxycharm, so not everybody got the same product. Some people got just a matte, some people got a palette, some people got, you know, different lip products of theirs. Open this up. Ooh, it's pretty. It's called So Jelly. Looks like, it does look like grape jelly. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's gorgeous. I don't really wear metallic lipsticks like this. It says to use, define with precise tip and fill in with color. Or, I think another tip on here was to wear it on top of a matte lipstick that you've already applied on your lips. So that's what I would use it for. I do have a metallic like strobe like this from Huda Beauty. She calls it the lip strobes because it came like a set with the color that it goes with. And I wear it just like on the center to add some dimension to my lips. But I don't wear that often enough to keep this, I don't think. So I think I'm gonna set this in my giveaway bin also. All right, and next we've got some lashes. Not everybody got lashes. I think the options for this were you either got lashes, a primer from Becca Cosmetics, or the Tarte Lifted Mascara. And I ended up with some lashes. These are from House of Lashes. This is the shade. This is in the style Knockout, and I'm obsessed with them already. I think I'm going to wear them today in today's look. Maybe. We'll see. These are really pretty though. I'm definitely gonna use these very soon. I'm going on a cruise very soon, so I'm probably gonna wear these on the cruise. All right, and last but certainly not least is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. This is the palette right here. So gorgeous. I love the packaging. It's like, ooh, the back looks cool too. I didn't even see the back. That's cool. The packaging, it feels so like luxe, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like plasticky. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. I like the way it feels. I love the packaging. She came out with two little mini palettes like this. This one was Party Animal, the other one was Boss Babe. I haven't gotten that one yet, but I do plan to. So we're gonna open it up. Oh my God. Every time I open this palette, I'm like, drool. This is what it looks like. It's got this nice mirror here for you, as you can see me in my own mirror. And these are the beautiful colors. It looks like you got a couple shimmers down here. And the mattes look like, especially this blue, looks like it's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but I think that's to help the blendability of the matte shadow. Some of Manny MUA's eyeshadows were like that in his Life's a Drag palette, and I didn't mind that at all. It blended so effortlessly that it just looked amazing. So I'm hoping this will be like a similar effect, and I can't wait to use this. I know this palette may look a little bit intimidating, but it could just be like a palette you use just for one pop of color. You don't have to use the whole palette. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the whole palette today or if I'm just going to use a pop of color like I said and then use another palette with it. we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that is what is included in this month's box. Not everybody gets the same thing. It did come with this little info sheet, which I really like. Like I said, I've only done it for a couple months, so I don't know if this has always been a thing, but it tells you everything that's in your box, and how much everything costs full price. I'm pretty sure all these things are full-size items. It looks like the box is worth close to $100, if not over $100. I'm just like glancing at the prices of each item. This palette alone is $19, so that's like the whole box right there, you know? So, also on the back of this, it comes with some discount codes you can use on websites. This one has one for Smashbox and Laura Lee's website, which is amazing. I'm gonna use that to get the Boss Babe palette soon. So yeah, maybe I'll get an extra one and give it away. Maybe. Let me know if you'd like that in the comments. All right, guys, so when I filmed the unboxing of my Boxycharm, I decided to make the tutorial part a separate video. So that is going to be what my eyes are today. I did a tutorial on my eyes today using the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I just don't want my unboxing videos, I'm going to start doing that every month. I don't want them to be too long, so I'm literally just going to unbox and show you what is in the box this month so that you can get it if you want it. And then I'll upload my tutorial very soon after this in case you're waiting for that to see if you want the box or not. Because, I mean, this is $19 by itself and the box is only $21. So if you want this, you might as well just pay the $2 extra and get the extra stuff too, right? So yeah, that concludes the end of this video. Let me know if you like these unboxing videos or if you want me to, I'm about to do a couple hauls in the next week or so. So if you'd like for me to unbox those hauls, let me know on camera. I'll be happy to do that. I don't know if you guys like those kind of videos or not. I personally do. I'm nosy. I want to see what you got. I want to see what you bought. I want, you know, whatever. So let me know if that's something you like to see. Like I said, I'm going to start doing this every month with my Boxycharm. So far, I'm really enjoying Boxycharm. This was only my second month. I did not film last month because I got it like on August 1st. I signed up like at the end of the month. It was like, I don't know, let's just do it. So I didn't want to unbox July's box in August for you. So anyways, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!